everybody, it's Mrs. Worley. I just want you guys to know that I miss you so much, and I miss getting to read books with you and teach you. And I've seen some of your pictures that your parents have sent, and I see how hard you guys are working, and I hope you'll keep sending me pictures so I can see you, and hopefully I'll be able to do videos for you guys so we can still see each other and talk to each other that way. Today I thought I would read a book to you, and so we always talk about how the first couple times we do something, sometimes we make mistakes and have to learn. So this may or may not come up very clearly, but I'm going to try and do it today on this video. And the book is Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman. So remember, the author is the person that writes the story, and the illustrator is the person who draws the pictures. So we're going to read this book today. Just look at it, see if you can guess what kind of story it is. If you think it's fiction or nonfiction, think about that. We'll read it and then we'll see if we can decide. Okay, here we go. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. You can probably tell it's a rhyming book. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Got him. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks. Too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Lots of adjectives in that page, on that page. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Look at that. Have you ever slept that well? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. What's gonna happen? They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, A slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. What do you think's gonna happen? Has to rhyme with stew. Something that pepper might make you do. Achoo! Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. That would be a little scary, wouldn't it? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, his face tells it all. He is not happy. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Do you know what blubbers means? Blubbers is a synonym for kind of crying. Mouse squeaks. Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see? We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But Bear's friends snore on. So now it's switched. They're all asleep. And he's awake now. But he did get to have some fun. Okay, that was a fun story. So maybe think about what your favorite part of that story was, or if you have any questions or anything, and let me know. And then we'll read another story later. Bye.